In the bustling realm of waste management, where efficiency reigns supreme and reliability is coveted like gold, there stands a titan among the rest, Big Dawg Dumpsters. With a name that roars with confidence and a reputation that precedes its every stride, Big Dawg has carved its place as the premier choice for dumpster rental solutions. From small-scale cleanups to colossal construction projects, Big Dawg boasts a fleet of top-tier dumpsters ready to tackle any waste challenge with finesse and prowess. When waste woes loom large, and the need for a dependable ally arises, look no further than Big Dawg Dumpsters. Our team stands ready to serve, armed with expertise and a commitment to excellence that sets us apart. Dial 743-244-3294 to connect with our dedicated professionals, who will guide you through our services tailored to your needs. For a deeper dive into our offerings, visit us online at www.bigdawgfl.com, where convenience meets innovation, ensuring your waste management journey is seamless. At Big Dawg Dumpsters, we don't just provide dumpster rentals, we deliver peace of mind. With a steadfast dedication to customer satisfaction and a track record of reliability, we've earned our stripes as the go-to solution for all things waste-related. Join the ranks of satisfied customers who have experienced the Big Dawg difference. Let us handle your waste management needs with the efficiency and care they deserve.